On December 19, 2024, Mr. Sajjad Ismail Sahib, Deputy Organizer of Central Organizing Committee of People's Education Employees Association Sindh and Chief Organizer of District Central Karachi, Deputy Chief Organizer of Central Organizing Committee Ms. Shaista Zardari, Deputy Organizer of District Korangi Mr. Aneesur Rehman Chana Sahib, Deputy Organizers of District Central Mr. Syed Israr Shah Sahib, Mr. Ahmad Hussain Sir, Mr. Osama visited Public Model GBSS 11E and met the campus head Mr. Mutiullah. In this meeting, the problems of the school were discussed and the plan of action to solve these problems was discussed. Mr. Sajjad Ismail and Ms. Shaista Zardari offered to take all possible help and steps to resolve these issues. The school visits and meetings are the result of the efforts and hard work of the association, and it is clear that the association is making real efforts for the welfare of the schools and the problems of the employees and moving towards its goal by being the voice of the oppressed employees. Report by Asif Ayub.